How to fix paper feed issues in HP LaserJet Pro 3001 through 3008 regular and E-model printers and HP LaserJet Pro MFP 3101 through 3108 regular and E-model printers. If your printer is not out of paper, but you are receiving an out-of-paper error message on the printer control panel or on the HP Smart app, then you might be experiencing paper feed issues. Note: after each step outlined in this video, reconnect the power supply and try to print a page. If you are still experiencing the same issue, proceed with the next step. Step 1. Check the printer paper. Remove the paper from the input tray. Fan through the pages and remove any bent, wrinkled, or torn paper in the stack. Check for and remove any obstructions inside the paper tray, such as loose pieces of paper. Load the stack of paper back into the paper tray. Slide in the paper width guides until they rest against the edges of the paper. Step 2. Clean the pickup roller. Cleaning the pickup roller on the printer will help prevent future paper feed issues. To do this, gather the following items: a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the back of the printer. Remove the stack of paper from the input tray. Grasp both sides of the input tray and slide it straight out to extend the tray. To fully remove, slightly lift the tray and continue sliding to release the input tray. Caution: to avoid damage to the rear cassette cover, keep it in closed position. Carefully rotate the printer backward until it rests on the rear cover, with the bottom side facing forward. Pull on the black tab to the left of the pickup roller and slide the black cover to the left and remove. Remove the pickup roller by sliding it to the left until it is free. Lightly dampen the cloth with the distilled water. Press the cloth against the roller and rotate it away from you using your fingers. Apply moderate pressure to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Wait approximately 10 minutes to allow the pickup roller to dry completely. Insert the pickup roller back into the printer assembly with the white gear on top and slide it to the right of the printer onto the two spokes. Position the pickup roller cover in the printer assembly and slide it to the right of the printer until the tab is secure. Carefully rotate the printer forward until it rests in the upright position. To reinsert the input tray, slightly tilt the front of the tray down and insert the input tray into the input tray area. Slide the input tray back until it snaps into place. Step 3. Reset the printer. With the printer plugged in and turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Step 4. Service the printer. If you are still experiencing the same error on your printer, you might need to have it serviced. Contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact-hp to schedule a product repair or replacement. You can also check your product warranty information at support.hp.com/check-warranty. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.